Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Silvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we'll be talking about some of my favorite and most recommended crystals for self-worth, self-esteem, courage, self-love, that kind of category here, because this is a topic that's actually becoming quite popular. You can see how more and more people tend to look for crystals, gemstones, that can provide some form of healing, and that healing can go really deep. That can go into healing, for example, definitely those deep feelings and emotions that we hold within ourselves for so long, over sometimes years. And you can see how self-healing is definitely becoming more and more popular, and as well with crystal therapy, crystal healing. So today I'm going to show you guys, I have them here with me, some of the crystals I recommend the most for all things self-worth, self-esteem, to help you in your journey. And we'll see what you guys think. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I would say, when you think about self-worth, it's not just about that sense of thinking that you're enough, or valuing yourself. It's also that sense of your life feeling whole and fulfilled. It also ties in with that area, in my opinion. Because you will feel better in so many ways. You'll feel more confident in yourself. You'll begin to manifest better. You'll start to understand what is your life purpose, if it's something that still feels a bit difficult to understand. So here I'm going to show you crystals that really work along those lines. Keep in mind that in general, crystals that would be good for that type of healing would usually be any crystal related to the sacral chakra and the solar plexus. These two would be the most, the main chakras related with that as an imbalance. So if you are someone that has an imbalance that resonates with, lack of worth, lack of self-esteem, self-worth, of, self-confidence, that resonates with an imbalance in your sacral and solar plexus chakras. So here I'm going to show you some of the best crystals to actually boost that sense of love for yourself and, help you in your journey of healing, leading to personal development. So let's get started by my favorite. Let's go straight into it. My favorite is the beautiful Dalmatian Jasper. I love Dalmatian Jasper so much. It's all about personal development, which is a great crystal to work with after you have healed. Personal development, guys, always comes after the healing process. If you really want to make sure this works out the best way. It's becoming a big trending word. Everyone is talking about self-development, but have you done your healing first? You can't develop, you can't evolve if you have not healed first. So this one is the one that works after. Definitely it's a great crystal to help you being less self-critical of yourself. There's a video as well talking about Dalmatian Jasper on the channel, so I won't go too deep into detail. If you want to learn more about it, check out the video. But overall, it's all about creating and finding that balance within yourself and your good signs against your bad signs, but to make sure that your good signs, the good aspect of yourself stands out more and resonates more with everything you do, and allows you to become your higher self, the best version of yourself. And just overall, that beautiful energy is also great for just general playfulness, happiness, joy of life, and also the joy of being here, the joy of being grateful for being on this earth, and being able to be here. So that would be my number one. Then the second one, you have to talk about rose quartz. You can't talk about self-worth and self-esteem without talking about rose quartz, because it is a crystal not just of unconditional love, as probably many of you know about it. It's also associated with inner peace. It's associated with compassion, with acceptance of others, but also of yourself. So you can see here why it's great. It's great for emotional healing. It's a great crystal to really help you to replace those negative emotions you might have within yourself, and to, you know, allow them to become lighter through its heart chakra loving energy. And that resonates through self-love, self-forgiveness, and as we said, self-acceptance. So you can see how rose quartz is definitely a must here. Then we can move on to another one of my favorites. I absolutely love working with citrine. Citrine is great for all things self-worth, self-esteem, because citrine resonates very well with the solar plexus chakra. It's all about that energy of the sun, resonated with the sunlight, sunshine. You know, it's literally, if you were to open yourself, open your solar plexus chakra to shine your beautiful inner own sunshine onto the world. And very much so about creativity, manifestation, willpower, and sometimes you can see how willpower and self-esteem can go hand in hand, because you need to have that strength to go through that healing process, because it's very, very powerful. And it has to empower you at the same time, because at the end of it, you'll feel empowered. You'll feel strong because you would have went through such a journey. And citrine is also a crystal of empowerment, that sense of all things good and positivity and general happiness and joy. Then another one would be definitely Tiger's Eye. Tiger's Eye is great for self-worth and self-esteem because it very much embodies the energy of the tiger. So what is that? It's courage. It's remaining focused and optimistic till the end. And it also stimulates hope, creativity. It's all about healing issues, very much of self-criticism, but also self-worth. So you can see there why it works. And also allowing you, which is why I really like to recommend this crystal for you guys. If you're looking for those types of crystals, it's great for allowing you to recognize your own inner talents and abilities. And I think that is wonderful. Everyone should focus on that, because that's how you're going to be able to move on and improve and heal and grow and expand, which is what we should all try to achieve while we're here, so that's it. And then last but not least, I kept this one last because it holds a very special connection to me. I don't know if I'll be talking about what that connection is right now, but I might talk about it when I feel ready about it. But yeah, definitely carnelian is a great option. It's one of those I lately really connected very well with carnelian and its energy. I might talk about it at some stage, if not on the YouTube channel, definitely on my personal Instagram, Silvana_Beslik. You'll find me there. And carnelian in a nutshell is all about empowerment. It's about giving you that sense of confidence, and very much so that passionate energy. It's literally very much so sacral chakra energy, so that sense of feminine power, of creation. So it's also going to be great for promoting positive life changes, to motivate you through your journey to achieve success, very much so, and dispel any negative feelings you may have during that journey, and really allowing you to trust yourself more throughout that process, and to listen more to that inner intuition. Allow yourself to trust that perception and that gut feeling you may have throughout your journey, because that's also another way that you can really allow yourself to get really far through that self-healing journey, is also by listening to yourself, trusting yourself more. That's also very important. So yeah, these would be some of my personal recommendations. There is a lot more, guys, out there that I could also talk about, but then the video wouldn't be 10 minutes, it would be literally 3 hours long, which we don't have time for that. So yeah, here it's everything in a nutshell. These are literally the ones I recommend the most. You know, especially if you're someone that's really going through a significant journey through self-healing of those types of emotions like self-worth, self-esteem, you know, anything related to that sense of inner power, that, you know, personal development, everything like that. Definitely, you know, these ones would be the ones I would recommend the most. And see how that goes for you. Please let me know in the comment section below, guys, how does that resonate with you. In jewelry form, these crystals would be great because those are emotions, those are challenges that, you know, can be quite daunting and require a lot of inner work. So definitely wearing a talisman, you know, like an amulet, like some sort of pendant or some piece of jewelry that you can wear constantly to work with that energy is a must. So see how that goes for you. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, which one is your personal favorite. How does that all resonate with you? I would love to know. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That would be amazing. It shows me what type of content you're enjoying here on this channel, so I know what to do next for you guys. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your journey, whichever stage you are at. And if there is anything else that I did not mention, or any question you may have based on what I said on this video, you can also put that below in the description, in the comments actually. So yeah, that would be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. I wish you all a beautiful day, and I will be talking to you soon. See you guys.